I use emotional ABCs in my classroom every single day. I'm a specialized behavior teacher.
Hello, my name is Marissa and I am from Lincoln Park, Michigan.
Hello, my name is Stacy Anderson and I'm from Fargo, North Dakota, and I love the Emotional ABC curriculum.
I have been using the Emotional ABCs curriculum for several years with kindergarten through 5th grade students.
I use it with my gifted and talented students.
And this program really helps my students in a fun and engaging way. They love the different activities, the different ways to learn, the different language that can be used.
Students respond really well to Moody, the character, and the lessons that are included with emotional ABC learning.
They have really liked using the stop, rewind, and play buttons, and will often tell me that they had to use that in order to help themselves regulate when they were experiencing a strong emotion.
It is a great resource, and I highly recommend it for all teachers and parents.